a group of 20 unmarked helicopters were unexpectedly attacked. A video has appeared on the web in which you can see how a group of almost 24 rotorcraft of unknown affiliation makes a passage at a low altitude, in fact, above the water itself. Unexpectedly, the group was attacked, causing at least one rotorcraft to be shot down. In the video footage, you can see that a group of helicopters tried to covertly move using low altitude, probably in order to avoid being hit by enemy air defenses. However, during the flight, one of the rotorcraft was unexpectedly attacked, causing it to catch fire and fall into the water. The author of the video says that 2 helicopters were shot down. However, there is no visible evidence that 2 rotorcraft were shot down yet. Where exactly and under what specific circumstances such a large group of helicopters was attacked is unknown. However, experts note that the rotorcraft caught on the video, mostly Mi-8 helicopters, are in service with several dozen countries around the world. At the moment, the fate of the downed helicopter is still unknown.